Anxiety is one of the wide varieties of emotional and behavior disorders. Anxiety can be useful in certain situations, but prolonged anxiety will cause bad impact to your day-to-day activities. Here in this video we are going to talk 10 tips to avoid being anxious in unwanted situations. First one is taking a timeout from what you are doing. Practice yoga, listen to music, meditate, get a massage, or learn relaxation techniques. All what you need to do is stepping back from the problem and help to clear your head. It's always important to stay in the present if your mind is drawing to anxiety. Because anxiety is a future-oriented state of mind. So instead of worrying about the future, you can adjust your mind to enjoy the present. If you have already watched our video on 5 major types of anxiety disorders, now you know about panic attacks. Someone can feel,
I'm having panic attacks, but it's really harmless to me.
But don't forget that when you're experiencing a panic attack, your body's fight or flight mechanisms triggers, and it secretes hormones to adjust your body to that particular situation. That's good in some way, but unnecessary activation of this system will lead to worse outcomes. So, always try to rebel your panicking feelings and try to avoid them. Deep breathing helps you calm down. While you may have heard about specific breathing exercises, you don't need to worry about counting out a certain number of breaths. Instead, just focus on evenly inhaling and exhaling. This will help slow down and recenter your mind. The triple rule will help you to calm down your brain. Look around you and name 3 things you see. Then, name 3 sounds you hear. Finally, move 3 parts of your body, your ankle, fingers, or arm. Whenever you feel your brain going 100 miles per hour, this mental trick can help center your mind, bringing you back to the present moment. Another technique which mostly used by people is counting from 1 to 10 and then recounting backward from 10 to 1. This looks like very simple, but it is a very powerful mental exercise to concentrate your mind. When we are anxious, as an immediate physical antidote to this natural reaction, pull your shoulders back, stand or sit with your feet apart, and open your chest. This helps your body start to sense that it's back in control. It may be tempting to reach for something sweet when you're stressed, but that chocolate bar can do more harm than good, as research shows that eating too much sugar can worsen anxious feelings. Instead of reaching into the candy bowl, drink a glass of water or eat protein, which will provide a slow energy your body can use to recover. Call or text a friend or family member and run through your worries with them. Saying them aloud to someone else can help you see them clearly for what they are. It can also help to write your fears on paper. This final tactic may be the easiest one yet. Cue up clips of your favorite comedian or funny TV show. Laughing is a good prescription for an anxious mind. Research shows that laughter has lots of benefits for our mental health and well-being. One study found that humor could help lower anxiety as much as, or even more than, exercise can.